Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to do an outdoor perimeter bait application using granular bait insecticide. Using a bait granule is an effective way to control a variety of pests such as the large smoky brown, American, and Oriental cockroaches. Other pests like earwigs, ants, mole crickets, slugs, snails, and more can also be effectively controlled. This should be used in addition to a perimeter spray treatment for extra pest protection and control over your property. Some insects might take longer to be controlled by a spray application alone based upon the speed and how they move along the ground. The bait can be used as a food source that can speed up the penetration of the insecticide into their system. Now let's go over how and where to use these products and what an application might look like. Generally, you'll apply a 1 to 4 foot band around your home. The amount per square feet of the area will be listed in ounces or cups. Some are applied with a shaker and others are applied with a handheld spreader. Outdoors, you'll want to spread the bait around the outside perimeter of your home, around mulch beds, under bushes, sidewalks, flower gardens, around trees, wood piles, patios, landscape timbers, ground covers like English ivy and clover lawns, and other labeled areas where insecticides may not penetrate the soil as effectively. Although you should use perimeter baits and sprays in combination with one another, you should not apply these in the same place. Specific application sites will depend on the product you choose. Always read the full product label before applying any product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos. And please tell us what you'd like to see more of.